Yo, good morning. How you guys feeling today? Today's day 5, heading towards Phoenix. That's the goal. I think we should be able to get there. Cruising through the desert still. Yesterday was my longest day yet. Did 89 miles. I think it was like a 13 or 14 hour day. Not sure exactly. Was feeling really sore at the end of the day, but ultimately, as I start get going today, feeling pretty good. All things considered, definitely got my spots, but 4:30 a.m. start, pretty much on schedule. So now we're just going to be pushing into the darkness. Not going to have the crew with me right now, and that's it. Stopped at this random mile marker in the middle of nowhere, and about to pick back up. Good. And we're back. All right, maybe I was more sore than I thought. I can't believe I pushed on this road the whole entire day like this. So yesterday, uphill, this ground for felt like what, 70 miles? I don't even know. Oh shit, big ass snake. Did you guys see that? He was like right next to me. That thing was huge. Cow count still at 0. Welcome to Salon, Arizona, where she danced. Yeah, I got lucky with the heat today and this road. So my specs for my board this time is pretty close to last time. It's like a board I found in my trunk that looks like a cruiser. It's probably like 9.5 inches. Independent trucks to match. I think like what, 159s or something like that. Seismic tantrums, 78A 68 millimeter wheels, and quantum bearings. Oh, look at that. So look, changes county, and then the ground changes immediately. Yo! Yo! How you been? How's everything? How's the family? Awesome. They're super curious. Yeah. I know. Thank you.
Take my truck. I want you to skateboard. I want to go to work.
Yeah, come on. You can hop on.
What are you guys doing, surveying?
No, I'm skateboarding across America.
Are you really?
Yeah.
Are you the guy that I've seen the videos of?
Maybe. I'm live streaming across the whole entire country, right? Yeah.
Your second time, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I watched your videos,
Hey,
man.
Chad, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, man.
How's
you
it going?
want water?
Yeah, if you have one, that'd be
I got a
awesome.
couple, man.
That's great, yeah.
You want a Coca-Cola?
Yeah, sure. Appreciate you.
I've seen your videos, man.
That's awesome. Great to meet you.
Man.
Hey, what do you do out here for work?
Change the tires.
Nice.
For the solar field.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I thought you were one of the drone guys.
Yeah, surveying?
Yeah.
That's funny.
I thought you were flying a drone.
Yeah, it was my friend. He was just shooting like skate videos.
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So you got somebody following.
Yeah. This time, yeah. Last time I did it alone.
You just started from Santa Monica, right?
Venice, yeah.
Venice, okay.
Yeah, I started, today's day 5.
No shit.
I've probably done like, I don't even know, maybe 300 miles or, no.
Yeah, 400.
I don't know, I lost count to be honest.
About 400.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, no shit.
Yep, just plugging away, that's it.
Badass, man.
Thank you.
I saw your wheels the last time they were all.
Yeah,
That's awesome,
yeah.
man.
Yeah.
That is so awesome. So you're going
We'll
to
see.
Phoenix,
Yeah, going to Phoenix and then ultimately ending in Jacksonville.
Florida?
Yeah.
Oh, you're staying below?
Yeah, I'm staying south this time so I can avoid the mountains, do a little quicker. Yeah.
And you're doing this for what?
I'm doing it for a nonprofit called Natural High.
Okay.
Yeah, I got sober like 10 years ago and it changed my life, so I figured
shit.
donate to, you know.
In 28 days, I'll have 9 years.
Really?
Yeah.
Hey, congrats, that's amazing,
Yeah.
wow.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah, I got all my recovery stickers on the
Oh,
back
really?
of the truck. Yeah.
Oh, that's awesome, congrats on
Yeah,
that,
yeah.
man, that's great. Yeah, it changed my life completely.
It changed my life, man. They call me Boston.
Okay,
I'm gonna get in touch with you because I come down to Venice all the time.
do you?
Yeah.
Okay, well I actually live in New York, but I'm always out there too.
What are you doing in New York?
That's where I grew up and was born and raised.
Where?
Yeah, and like Lindenhurst, Long Island.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I'm from Connecticut.
Really? Okay, right across the sound. Yeah.
You're down the
Nice.
street. Yeah, I take the Crosstown Ferry all the time.
Hey, that's awesome.
Yeah. That's
Okay,
no
East
shit.
Coaster, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, you got the New England hat there. There you go.
Yeah, baby. I'm a Jets fan.
It's all making sense now. That's great.
That's
Well, hey,
good,
I gotta get back
You got 10
pushing.
years coming up?
10 years. I already just passed it.
Oh, nice. Congratulations.
Yeah,
bro.
yeah. Hey,
Super
thank you
proud.
so much.
Super
I
proud.
appreciate the drinks too, man.
No worries, man. Look for me. I'm gonna message you. I wanna
Okay, yeah, message me on like Instagram or anything if you have that. Or
Remember Boston? My name.
Yeah,
my
just
name
tell
is
me and
Brandon
I'll-
Collins.
yeah.
I met you out in Salone.
yeah. I'll remember, man. Nice talking to you.
All right, man.
Be good. Yo, drop some yo's in the chat for the tire guy. He's the man. Hey, man, you know what? It's the best job in the world. It's not fully my job, but I will tell you this. To be in the position I'm in, I focused my whole life in that direction and made so many sacrifices, but I stayed on the course because I knew the life I wanted to live, and I stumbled my way, and it's not quite there yet, but you know, getting sober helped because it made me see clearly and like stop avoiding things that I didn't really know I was avoiding, and like you can make these things happen if you prioritize them and not just keep it in the background. I think we're doing good, man. I think I get one nice break, one nice meal, and I might go to like 6 or 8 and try to hit that hundo. Dip conditions pending, of course. At some point, I'm gonna have to hit 100 to do this, at least a couple of times. So why not today? What better day than today, they say. Nice boat. First 3 days were brutal. Starting off like that, that was, you know, thrown right in the fire. Basically from 7 months off from knee surgery, like straight into that. But feeling pretty good right now. Yo, what's going on? Be careful, get over here.
Traffic today.
How's it going?
Good.
Thanks for coming out.
How are you feeling?
Pretty good. A little sore, but I got like a 3rd or 4th wind, and yeah, just gonna keep rolling.
going.
Yeah, let's do it.
If you're okay.
Cool. Yeah, oh yeah, I'm going. There you go. A little bit of space.
The weather's not too bad right now.
No, I got lucky today.
And next week it's like 106.
I saw that.
Yeah, I saw
Okay.
your whole first trek,
Yeah.
and I was like, if he ever comes near me, I'm gonna freaking skate out to him. And
Yeah, dude, I'm psyched you came out. What's your name again?
Trevor.
Trevor. Chad. Yeah, thanks for coming out, man. Yeah, I mean, you can skate with me as long as you want. I just feel kind of unsafe, like on this road,
Yeah, it's not.
you know.
But
But
I'm pretty out of shape, so I'll skate with you for a little bit.
All right,
for the
cool.
Novelty.
all right, let's do
I'll
it.
let you know when I'm bailing.
All right, cool. Hey, Trevor, I really appreciate you coming out, man. Thank you. Be careful on your way back, right? Hey! Jesus Christ. Get off the road, come here. Jesus Christ. What the dog getting hurt? I'm like scared to skate because I feel like it's just gonna run across the highway. Nice and slow. No excitement over here. I mean, just wanted to have some fun, but not the right time. Just hit 90 miles, new high for me. Still feeling pretty good. Obviously, I'm sore all over, but like some of the other days, I felt like I needed to stop right now. Conditions are on my side, and yeah, I just feel pretty comfortable, so just gonna keep riding. Not saying 100, but I don't know. Just gonna keep rolling. How's it going? Thank you, thank you. Dude, I wanted to stop so bad. I'll collapse, I think. That is 98.1. Yeah! Yes, yeah, the 100-mile sign. I'm only 98.3. I still have 1.7 to go. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, that's awesome. 1.5 more. Oh, that's amazing. I needed that boost for this last push. All right, I'll take this. Let me ride this into 100. Oh man, 99.5. How am I gonna wake up tomorrow? Skate again. It's insane. I feel like I've said that every day. Oh. I've never seen this watch make it to 100.
Let's go! Let's go!
Amazing. Thank you.
Let's
Thank you.
go!
Hey.
Oh my God! 2 records in 1 day! Let's go! Let's
Hey,
go! Love you, brother. Oh my
Thank you guys.
God.
Oh my God. Thank you.
Hell yeah.
Thank you.
That's
Yeah.
what I'm talking about.
Thank you.
Nice.
Yeah, let's go!
Thank you.
Good
Thanks
job,
for coming
buddy.
out,
We've
man.
been
Thank you
watching
so
you.
much. Thank you.
Got something for
Yeah.
you.
For tomorrow. Thank you,
Little
man.
water.
I need that so badly.
Hey.
Thank you.
Thank you, man.
Hey, I
what you're
appreciate it.
doing.
Thank you so
guys
much.
Take care. We appreciate it.
Have a good one.
Oh my God, dude.
Oh. Look at that. Not bad. I'll take it. Yo. Insane. Oh. Shot, man. Yeah, 100 miles. I think that was the hardest 5 days of my life. Like, just, I really couldn't believe after every day that I was gonna wake up and skate the next day. I feel like it's just gonna be like that for the next 30 days. But I guess that's how you grow, right? Conditions were on my side, so just felt easy. I think my body was finally like breaking in, but crazy. That's it, hit the 100. I need to immediately get to sleep, try to ice and eat and get to bed. Thank you guys all for hanging out. Thank you, Adorama, for making this happen, or helping me, you know, with the gear and everything. And that's it. Oh, thank my crew, of course.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, cool. I'll see you.
Big guy.
I'll see you guys early tomorrow morning.